Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Microsoft Teams, you can share your screen so that other participants can view your desktop, a specific application, file, presentation, or other activity while you are in a meeting or video call. To share your screen, click the Share Content button in the Meeting Controls toolbar. In the Share tray that then opens, you can select to share your computer's audio sounds by clicking the Include Computer Sound button. This lets you stream audio from your computer so participants can hear it. This can come in handy if you want to play audio or video clips during a presentation. Next, select what to share with other participants. You can select Desktop to share your entire screen, including notifications and all other desktop activity. You can also select a specific window from the thumbnails displayed under Window to show only one window and no notifications or other desktop activity. If needed, you can scroll the share tray to view all the available choices. After you make your selection, a red line appears around the content you are sharing and the presentation toolbar appears briefly at the top. The toolbar will disappear after a few seconds. To make it reappear, hover your mouse pointer over the red line at the top of the shared content. You can also pin the toolbar to the top of the window so it won't disappear by clicking the Pin Toolbar button. In the presentation toolbar, you can turn your computer's audio sounds on or off by clicking the Include System Audio button. You can also grant another participant control over your computer by clicking the Give Control drop-down and then selecting the participant from the list. To cancel the other participant's ability to control your computer, click the Cancel Control button in the presentation toolbar. When you are done sharing your screen, click the Stop Presenting button in the presentation toolbar. If your admin has enabled it for you, you may see another option when sharing content with others using the Microsoft Whiteboard app, which simulates a dry erase board and lets you collaborate with other participants in real time. Participants can take notes, sketch, and draw on the whiteboard, which will then be saved as part of the meeting. To use Whiteboard if it has been enabled, simply select the Whiteboard choice from the Share tray and then use the tools in the app to collaborate with others.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.